Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in our today's video we are going to discuss workbook and data table activity in UiPath. To understand it, we will implement a use case. So these are the following steps which we need to perform. So this is the Excel on which we will perform all the steps. So in the first step we will add a new column to the existing Excel file that will contain the total of the product. So a new column will be added to this Excel and the name of the column will be total. And in the next step, we will calculate the value of total by multiplying the units with the price. So the value of this total will be calculated by multiplying this unit with the price. And the value will be populated here. For example, this. And in the last step, we will update the workbook with the newly updated data in the new sheet. So we will create a new worksheet here. For example, for now I will delete it. Let's go to the UiPath Studio and implement it. First, we will search for read range activity. I give the workbook path here. The sheet name is tracker, and the output will be saved in DT1 variable. I have already created this variable. If you do not know how to create this variable, just press Ctrl and K and you can create the variable here. But I have already created it, so I'll just use that variable. And in the next step, we will create a column. So for creating a column, we will search for add column activity. So under data table, there is a activity add data column. We'll just drag and drop this activity to the workplace. So here in the input, you will see the three text boxes, column, column name and data table. In the column name, we will give the column name and the column name was total. And in the data table, select DT1 variable. So after adding the data column, we will take for each loop for each Excel row. In the next step, we will search for each loop activity and we will take for each row in data table. Select the data table and then we will take assign activity to calculate the value of total by multiplying the units with the price. Current row. We will give the new column name where the value will be saved, that is total. I'll open the expression editor and here I will mention the unit and price. So the name of the header should exactly match with the Excel. So I'll just copy the units from here and paste it here. I'll multiply it with the price and price also should copy it from here and paste it. We just need to convert the units to integer here and then the price is of decimal type, so convert it into decimal. You will see the error has gone. So you can note this syntax in somewhere for your future reference. I'll just save it. So the next step, we have to populate the updated data in new sheet. So for that, we will take right range activity, right range workbook. So this right range workbook activity is under workbook. Give the Excel path and the new sheet name and the data table name. And one more, save this activity and run it. The run is successful. Let's see the output. So you will see here the new sheet has been added, that is output. So you will see here a new column has been added, that is total, and the value has been calculated by multiplying the units with the price. So let's revisit all the steps for the better understanding of this use case. First, we have taken a read range workbook activity to read the Excel file and save the output in data table variable. And then we have used add data column activity to create a new column. And in the next step, we have used for each row in data table activity to iterate through the Excel, calculated the values in newly added column total by multiplying the units with the price. I will show you the expression here. This is the expression to calculate the value of total. And in the last step, we have written the data table to the newly created output sheet. So this is all for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.